Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to become a Deliveroo driver in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, go to the Deliveroo website and apply to become a rider. Fill out the online form with your details. Upload the required documents such as proof of identity and right to work in the UK. Once your documents are verified, sign your contract with Deliveroo. You'll then be asked to order your rider kit, which includes your uniform and delivery bag. Finally, download the Deliveroo Rider app, log in, and start accepting deliveries. Make sure you have a smartphone, a bank account, and vehicle, whether that's a bike, scooter, or car. And that's it. You're now ready to start earning as a Deliveroo driver. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.